Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View for the week ahead in association with Petzl. We've got a wild few days in store as westerly weather patterns prevail. For Monday, a gap in the weather systems as a ridge of high pressure builds across the country. That will see a comparative lull in the winds. The strongest of gale force northwesterlies from dawn will ease to around 20 or 30 miles per hour, perhaps less for a time, and then will strengthen as southwesterlies back to gale force onwards into the evening. Temperatures will be sub-zero above around 7 or 800 metres, so higher terrain is frozen, and beware of ice then on those higher surfaces. A fairly bright day, 1 or 2 showers and some sunshine will be around. The best of the brighter conditions and the cloud breaks towards more eastern regions indicated by the darker colours on this chart. The whiter shades, the thickening cloud that's coming back in from the Atlantic as we go through into the afternoon, becoming increasingly overcast, and that cloud lowering onto some western hills as we go toward the end of the day, and some drizzly damp conditions arriving with some snow flurries on the hills as well, and that becoming more persistent through Monday evening. Turning increasingly to rain though up to higher slopes as temperatures just rise, and that becoming heavy for a spell through the evening hours. The next band of rain will be sinking southwards. That's a cold front, and behind that will be a drop of temperature and freezing level once more overnight into Tuesday, dropping down to 600 or 700 metres across Scotland by dawn on Tuesday, and that lowering temperature sinking across England and Wales too into the morning. And then we're into a wild westerly day with snow and hail showers rattling in on gale or severe gale force westerly winds, those merging into some longer spells of snow and hail across western Scotland and giving whiteout conditions. A very difficult day, severe wind chill even from modest elevations upwards. Now, those gales will continue into Tuesday evening and night and will strengthen yet further as a centre of low pressure moves close to northern Scotland. This will produce severe gales even at low elevations by this stage, and over the mountains, wind speeds in excess of 80, 90 miles per hour, even 100 miles per hour over the higher tops through the night. And those severe gales will continue into Wednesday morning and will only ease down slowly during the daytime on Wednesday towards, say, 40 or 50 miles per hour. So still very difficult conditions even later on in the day. Further showers again of snow and hail will be coming in across more northern and western regions, and maybe some more frequent or constant showers of rain and snow across Wales, maybe into the South Pennines as well. Gradually, as we head into the second half of the week, we just shift the airflow a little bit round to the southwest, and that will bring some milder air back across the country. Temperatures lifting slowly above freezing point as we head into the second half of the week. A spell of rain preceded by some snow for a time on Thursday, heaviest in western Scotland, with still a windy day in prospect, 40 miles per hour maybe or more at times across the higher mountains, so still at the risk of gales. And that windy story across northern Britain at least is likely to continue into Friday, although a ridge of high pressure is just starting to build from the south, so becoming a largely drier story, maybe still though drizzle and some low cloud in western Scotland, a little bit brighter elsewhere, and it will look a similar theme, I suspect, into the weekend with that high nearby, but still strong southwesterly winds across Scotland to be expected. Temperatures above freezing by a few degrees on the tops at this stage. Keep an eye on your local forecast then on our website. That's your week ahead Fleeting View in association with Petzl.